Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this glammed up day makeup. So yes, stick to the video and let's get started. So first I'm going to use this caramel shade concealer by Maybelline, covering all of my dark spots wherever I have blemishes that I need to cover. So I'm be using this thing, and you can even use color corrector, which I'm probably not using because my main motive is to use hardly like two products to cover the entire face. So yeah, that's how I've been applying all over, and now I'm just blend it very nicely and gently so that there is no khaki anything left over your face, and it just looks very clean shield skin part itself. And the next product that I'm using is this BB cream by the brand Mars. This is like absolute stunning product. I just love it. It's very light, and it is very similar to the Nika foundation, and I am applying it by using my fingers, and after applying it all over my face I'm simply just blending it. Make sure that you cover up your hairlines as well, because then the color may look very different, if you may understand. So here I am just blending. Once it's done, I'm coming to the eyebrows. I find this is the best technique to do the eyebrows, is to like start making a line towards the lower eyebrow and then just simply drag it towards the end. And now is the blush time. I'm using the Sugar Ka blush. I want to give a little plump look because it's the day makeup look. Otherwise you can even apply it on the only on the cheekbones to give it a lifted look. And of course I love doing my nose and adding more color to my chin as well. So I'm going to do my chin also at the end. Okay, the color has been added. You can see you just have to blend it properly so that it does not look like over, but it looks like a part of your skin itself. Now taking the blush again, this time I'm applying it all over my lid. You have to like blend it properly from outer corner towards the inner corner and covering up the entire lid. All you have to make sure is that you blend properly towards the outside of your eye so that it gives a little subtle and proper look. And the what I was showing was like I have done my under eye and my upper waterline of the eyes with this kajal using from K Beauty, and now I have applied it over the top of my lid, and with this flat tiny brush I'm just smudging it to give a little smoky effect. Okay, I'm out of breath. Now I'm using this liquid glitter eyeshadow by the brand Mars, and just simply dabbing it all over my eyelid. This gives like very nice juicy effect to the eyelids, which I totally love it. Yet it's very nude. And now just doing the lower waterline and just smudging it so that it gives again a smudged smoky look. And you have to be very careful while doing this thing, and to make it a wing you have to come from this waterline towards the upper. You just have to pull it so it gives like a proper thing. And of course using my favorite mascara again by Maybelline, and I just love this hyper curl. You can see that I'm just doing the outer side only. The inner lashes I'm not doing it because I want to give little more volume towards the outside. Now again using the product from Maybelline, this is the compact powder, just settling the under eye, the concealer that I have used so that it gets like properly settled, and wherever you want to apply on the face you can apply. These are the main parts wherein I apply the compact so that it remains like settled and intact on my face. And of course the forehead, why not, like, right? Now using this Gush Ka illuminating highlighter, I'm just going to apply on my nose, and then towards the upper middle nose, and then on my cheekbones, and even on my chin. Just apply it properly and blend it. You will see how beautifully highlighted it looks. Like whenever there is like natural light falling on your face, it will simply shine. And highlighter is something that you can just go crazy with. I just love highlighters and they look absolutely stunning. You can see, right, how gorgeous it is. I'm using this nude lip shade. It's from the local brand itself, but the shade is really very pretty. And just applying it properly on over my lips, and simply I'm going to settle it with the help of using a finger of mine and just blending it properly so that it does not look like over layers of the lipstick. ओके काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोल रही हूँ. And that's it. It's all done. It looks so glammed up and perfect for the day. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next. Bye.